Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with honest, real-life insights. If you're tired of lipstick that fades too quickly or feels heavy on your lips, this one might just be the answer. Today we're looking at ZOYA Lipstick in the shade Addie, a lightweight, cream-finish lipstick that promises comfort without the usual dryness. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review like this one. ZOYA's Addie lipstick comes in a smooth cream formula with a rich, creamy finish. Paraben-free, it promises to provide all-day wear while feeling light on the lips. This formula is designed to offer both hydration and vibrant color, without the heavy feel some lipsticks tend to leave behind. The shade Addie is a beautiful neutral pink, versatile enough for both everyday wear and more polished looks. It's definitely a product meant for those who want their lips to feel nourished while keeping them looking chic. After testing this lipstick, I've got to say it's incredibly comfortable. The texture glides on smoothly, offering full coverage without tugging on the lips. It's not thick, so it doesn't feel like you're wearing a heavy layer of product, which is a major plus for anyone who wants a more natural lip look. I wore it for a few hours through my daily routine, and I was pleasantly surprised by its staying power. While it didn't last all day without needing a touch-up, especially after eating, it did hold up well through talking and light drinking. When it comes to performance, ZOYA's Addie has a solid balance of pros and cons. On the plus side, it's lightweight, comfortable, and has a great non-drying formula. It's perfect for those who struggle with lipsticks that make their lips feel parched. The pigmentation is good for a cream lipstick, providing a nice, buildable color. On the flip side, though, if you're looking for a lipstick that will stay put through everything, you might find yourself needing a touch-up throughout the day. As far as value for money goes, ZOYA lipstick is on the higher end compared to some drugstore options, but it does deliver on comfort and quality ingredients. It's a good investment if you're looking for a paraben-free option that doesn't compromise on performance. If you're looking for something that might last longer without touch-ups, you might want to explore more matte options, though you'll likely sacrifice some comfort. When compared to other similar products in the market, ZOYA stands out for its clean formula and lightweight feel. While there are plenty of other creamy lipsticks, few deliver on both hydration and long-term comfort without compromising on color payoff. The price is higher than some drugstore brands, but if the clean ingredients and feel are your priority, it's a solid option. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple and elegant. It has a classic lipstick tube design that feels sturdy and secure. There's no luxury factor, but it's definitely functional and travel-friendly, making it easy to toss in your bag for on-the-go applications. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you're wondering about alternatives, I'd recommend looking at other clean beauty brands like Bite Beauty or Ilia. They also offer lightweight, hydrating lipsticks with clean ingredients, but they might have different shades or finishes that suit your preferences. So, after trying out ZOYA Lipstick and Addie, here's my final verdict. It's a fantastic option for anyone seeking a comfortable, creamy lipstick with a natural finish. If you're someone who values hydration and clean beauty formulations, this is a solid choice. However, if you need something that lasts all day without needing to reapply, you might want to consider other formulas. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.